Are you ready to strum your way into insurance fame with the unforgettable State Farm Jingle? Let's learn the chords. Prepare your fingers for G, C, and D. The G chord is 3 fingers on the second, third, and first strings. The C chord is the first finger on the second string. The second on the fourth. The D chord is 3 fingers which go on the second, first, and third strings. Get those fingering positions memorized. We'll start with G. First, place your fingers for the G chord. Strum down. This should be the first note, then change to C chord, strum down. Next, place your fingers in the D chord and strum down. Let's repeat those chords in order: G, strum, C, strum, D, strum. Now, imagine the rhythm of the jingle. It goes G, then C and D on the word state. Play 1 strum on each of the first 4 chords, which are G, C, G, C. Next, we change to D. Now play the phrase like a good neighbor. Strum. Now play G over the State Farm part. Strum up and strum down. C4 is there. Strum 1 D. Now we'll play the final chord twice. Strum 1 for final State Farm, and a strum for there. Perfect the tune, and soon you'll be playing this friendly little song. So share your performances with #StateFarmJingle.